Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix Roblox age check error. You're trying to verify your age on Roblox, everything seems fine, and then it fails out of nowhere. Yeah, that's usually where the frustration kicks in. Most of the time, it's not random. The system just couldn't clearly read your ID or your face scan. So what I usually check first is my birthday and account settings. If that doesn't match your actual ID, Roblox is going to reject it almost instantly. When retrying, I place my ID on a flat surface with good lighting, no glare, no shadows, and I make sure my phone is ready and steady during the face scan. It sounds simple, but even a slight blur can mess it up. If it still doesn't work, I clear the cache app or app cache or just reinstall Roblox reset settings. Another trick, try a different device with better camera. It makes a bigger difference than you'd think. And if nothing works, sending a support ticket is your last move, because sometimes it's just the system being stubborn. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.